How's it going, guys? Today I'm showing you how to make heavy UK garage. The track we're looking at today is Overmono Blowout. This is what we have made by the end of the video. As you can hear, it's a really unique track which has an extremely loud and distorted bass that sort of fills out the frequencies, and personally I think it just sounds sick. Let's firstly start with the drums. The drums I'm using today are from my UK Garage Volume 3 pack. You can get that from the link in the description. It has over 400 one-shots and loops for making sick UK garage. Firstly, you're going to need a kick, then a snare, then you need some sort of groove / percussion. And lastly, to bring it all together and really create some energy, a shaker. Pay attention to this next bit because you're going to want to use this plugin on your next track. If I solo the shaker, you'll be able to hear a really cool effect I've used on it. As you can hear, it's sort of stuttering. This plugin is the Ableton Beat Repeat, and I've just selected the vocal fun just because I think it sounded good. So what this plugin is doing is chopping up the sample and creating sort of like playbacks and repeats. So look, if we select a different one, Slapback Fun, let's have a listen. So look, there's so many different parameters that you can add really cool variations, and you're gonna get really unique sounds pretty much every time. So even that sounds really cool. Don't know what it sounds like in context to the rest. But it's a really good sound design tool, and I really recommend using it. So yeah, you can literally select any of these presets, change a few parameters, and you're going to get something really unique. When it comes to this sort of track, it's also really important you get the snare right. You can't just use a normal snare, you need garage snares. Now let's move on to the bass. I'm sorry to keep going on, but I've just got to let you know this is a preset for my UK Garage Volume 4 pack. This month in July, I'm going to be running a competition of who can make the best track using UK Garage Volume 4 preset pack or UK Garage Volume 3 drums pack. The only rule is you have to be able to prove that you use the sounds or presets from either of these packs. The winner will get a £300 cash prize. If you want to submit a track, just send it to me on Instagram. This is my Instagram. I'll be judging all submissions in a video, and I'll be announcing the winner at the start of August. Firstly, you're going to need a long sustained note. So this track is A. Great, so firstly, initiate preset, oscillator A, analog BD sign, the exact same in oscillator B. Pitch these down by 2 octaves. 1, 2. This is what you're going to have. As you can hear, it doesn't quite sound right. Let's then add a distortion. We want probably a hard clip all the way up. As you can see, we're slowly getting there, but what's missing, and the main ingredient, is the noise. So analog and either bright white, basically any of these. So let's go for this J60. You can play around, so that's probably got more fuzz in it. Let's go for the bright white. That's what I used on my preset. So we then want to go to LFO 1, and let's lower these a bit. So let's say 55, 55, if we can get it. Then drag that on there, like such. Then we want to shape this, so sort of curve it. That should do. And let's have a listen. Up the rate. And then you want to add a bit of compression, a multi-band, and you can adjust these to sort of taste. You could lower that. The main sound comes from when this bright white here and these oscillators are running through this way and then into the effects, and they're going through this distortion, which is pushing them to the limit. This white noise and distortion only sort of works with sine waves. Great, guys, I hope that sound design was helpful. Please comment down below if you did find it helpful, and let me know what videos you want to see next. Thanks. See you later.